Let me show you how to install the connection module. The module can swap the panel. By the way, the module, also called the M10 SC terminal block, is used throughout the distribution leaf. First, install the module onto the back mount frame. Next, use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires. Then swap the panel. It adopts insulation displacement connection technique, which means no soldering, wire stripping, or the use of screws. And thread the wire to the threading board. Then use the tool to connect the wire and module one by one. LSA connection modules use normally one-piece contact, thus only having the function of connection instead of disconnection. Performances. Finally confirm that the wires are firmly fixed. It's finished. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.